So the first World Cup victory in the career for Lauri Malmström. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
And tell us about today's race.
Today's race was quite interesting and a little bit quite terrifying in the beginning because I already lost 10 to 15 seconds with the first control because I didn't see the control between the hedges and I had to stop, look around and then realized that control is on my back. So I started quite badly, but fortunately I had second, third and fourth I think quite good splits and got my confidence back. And rest of the race went quite okay. I lost also 5 to 7 seconds in two places, but that was not very much.
What is it that makes you so much stronger than the others today?
I don't know, it was a bit surprise for me also that I'm going to win with this kind of race and even with a half minute. I think I did quite good splits on the open fields because 29er is a good bike and in Estonia I have trained on not on the tracks but on the fields and on the hard surface, so maybe this was good for me, I don't know.
What do you think about tomorrow's long distance?
I'm looking forward to it, considering with the old map it's going to be quite flat and quite fast and definitely a lot of route choices because there aren't many controls as I know. So I quite look forward because it could suit me also quite good since there is no climbing because I'm not good at all in climbings.
And what's your biggest goal for this season?
Biggest goal would be sprint distance in World Champs, I suppose, and also relay because our Estonian guys are really good and we're hoping to improve from last year's bronze medal, so we look forward to it.
What will you take with you from today?
Much confidence, definitely, and knowing that I am in good shape at the moment and there is time to even improve my shape to the World Champs, so confidence mainly.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, and it is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of today's World Cup race, Lauri Malmström from Estonia.